In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to connect the HP DeskJet 2900 printer series to the network. The printer is in the setup state. You can see the wireless LED blinking. And we will use the HP app to set up the printer. If you need the app, simply download from the Play Store. So let's start up HP app. If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe. We'll add device. And we'll set up a new printer. We'll connect it over Wi-Fi. Get the printer ready to connect over Wi-Fi by following the instructions as shown. It has found our printer. Let's select that. We'll connect printer to Wi-Fi. Select yes. Let's share Wi-Fi. You may need to press on the back button. Let's continue. We need to press and release the flashing information button on our printer. Let's do that. For printer privacy, we'll decline the optional data. For future firmware updates, we'll select Auto Update. Let's print. Now the paper size in the main tray is actually A4. So we'll select ISO A4. Let's print. This is the test page from the HP DeskJet 2900 printer series. If you want to print from other devices, you'll need to install the HP app from the App Store on that device and then add this printer in the app. Let's continue. And your printer is connected to the network. If you do tap on the printer icon, you can do the following with this printer. You can get supplies, you can scan, you can do a camera scan, print documents, print photos, or even find and print creative content through printables. You can use your camera to scan and print, and even do a mobile fax. So this is how you set up your HP DeskJet 2900 all-in-one printer series to the network by using the HP app.